another win from Nike. So we got the University Blue. And chumamba tayo sa Orange Blaze, or as they call it, the Syracuse. Tama ba? And kanina may nakita kaming may Nike Bayo kasi doon sa Nike Fort, so may nakita kaming nagpapa-change ng lace actually to this one. Para siyang ano, ang color to teal? Yan, teal and orange. Ayun, no? Ang ganda. Pero ayaw paggamit sa akin ni Rhea kasi sa kanya daw yan. Kaya I bought 2 laces. Ayan, I got the yellow one. Yan, yung apple pie. We got the yellow one and we got the green one. Ito. I'm gonna change it to green one, parang pumpkin. Ganyan. Suot ko yan tomorrow. Plus I got this. Ano tawag dito? Hala, gusto na yun. Ayun, ito. I got this. Ewan ko kung anong tawag dito, pero yung sa may tip siya. So I got a focus. Basta yan. Kita niyo naman. Got a sale color na nilagay dito. Yan, check natin kung ano yung itsura. And I'm gonna change the lace lang and put this one, and I'll show it to you tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is Sunday and this is the next day after nung pag-change ng lace. So pakita ko lang sa inyo yung shoes or yung itsura ng shoes after I change the laces. But let's do a quick unboxing of the Nike Dunk Orange Blaze, or as they call it, Syracuse, kasi yung low cut niya Syracuse. So we have a normal Nike box right here. And hindi sila bacon kasi labas kami, mag-BGC sila and first time nila. So yun, we have a typical Nike box with Nike swoosh logo at the top, on the sides, and on the left side, at the back. And we have the details over here. So I got a size 10 because this is a true size. I remember, kumuha ko ng ano before, ng Michigan na high na 10.5 and pwede na pero may allowance siya. I mean, hindi siya kasing snug kasi ng Jordan 1. So for for Nike Dunk high and low, I recommend go get your true size kahit na wide foot. I mean kahit na wide foot kayo, go get your true size lang. Let's open the box. So once we open it, we got a normal white tissue paper right here. Ayan. Then here is the shoes. And pinalitan ko siya ng green laces. So yung story behind this is when we purchased this, may nakita kami sa Nike Bayou, sa Nike Fort to meron silang Nike Bayou. So I think if you buy a pair or shoes doon sa Nike mismo, you can customize it. Pwede nyo siyang palitan nung sa laces. Lace tip, I forgot kung ano pangalan nun. Color ng laces, yung ito, this one. Forgot din kung ano tawag dito, pero ito, they have different colors of this. So I chose a cream one. So yun, let's start now with the shoes. So as you can see, this is the Nike Dunk Orange Blaze, or as they call it nga, it's the Syracuse low cut, but some call it Syracuse pa rin kahit sa high top. And the value of this is not that high, but personally gusto ko kasi yung pair na to, kaya I got one kasi I think gusto ko yung Syracuse pero super taas nung resale niya. I think it goes for around, brand new for around 18 to 20,000, and for me, hindi ako willing mag-spend ng ganun para sa super simple na shoes. Kaya when they released this sa Nike Park Access, nag-register ako sa raffle and nakachamba tayo ng W from them. So got a size 10 and si Rhea got a size 6. She got a size 6. And yon, yung laces naman nung kanya is parang teal, ganon. And actually hindi ako maka-decide. So I bought 2 laces. And meron tayong apple pies by Nike. Ito yung ano nila, yung packaging nila. So tingnan natin. Ito yung laces nung kay Rhea. It's a teal. So ang ganda rin niya with orange. Yan, ganda. Pero sa kanya kaya hindi ko gagamitin. Then we have, and hindi ako maka-decide kaya I got a yellow lace as well. Bagay rin naman siya with this, and super bagay siya sa i-launch namin na bagong brand, which is our brand, the OFRESH. So follow nyo on Instagram, OFRESH PH. So I'm wearing one design of the shorts. So we will be releasing 2 shorts, one cream and one blue. Ito yung isa. Yan, super nice. It's jersey shorts, so it's above the knee cut, so super okay siya pang outfit. So yun, follow OFRESH. We will be launching it around second week of April. And let's get back to the shoes. Ayan, got 2 laces. Kasi magamit ko pa naman to sa, sa Jordan 1s ko, ganyan, magamit ko pa siya. And ito yung original lace niya. It's orange lang talaga. Eh, medyo common eh, kaya I decided to switch it. So, let's start with the shoes. So, we have I think this is a nice quality leather. I mean, unlike dun sa black and white and sa Coast release, when you use it, nagki-crease siya. And yung pag-crease niya, parang buo-buo siya eh. I mean, kahit dito, sa may sides niya, nagki-crease siya dun. Pero I'm not sure about this one. I'm gonna take this out for a walk today and I will update you guys kung anong itsura or anong magiging itsura niya if na-crease na siya. But basically, the top part of the shoes is made out of, I think, leather. Synthetic leather lang to, I think. Kasi it's general release lang. And it's not a collab. On the toe box, we have the signature perforated white leather right here. There, as you can see. Hindi siya tumbled, it's just simple leather. And this one, di siya talaga kasama. I purchased this like by you also. So this cost for around 200 pesos and the laces cost around 100 pesos. So, pwede na. Actually, yung gusto talaga namin is yung sale laces, but syempre sold out na because yun yung pinakausong pang switch ng lace ngayon kasi it gives that parang retro talaga siya na vibe. I mean, super bagay siya sa lahat ng colors. Yan. So, heading on over to the lateral side of the shoes. Yan. It's your typical dunk high silhouette with the swoosh over here and white and orange panel. Heading on over to the back part, we have this, I don't know what you call this. I think yung panghatak siya if you're gonna fit it para ma-fit nyo na mabilis. And we have parang stitches right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just show you a quick view, a quick preview of what the leather quality looks like. I think it's pretty good. Heading on over to the inner lateral side of the shoes. Inner lateral side of the shoes is kind of similar to the outer lateral side. And swoosh, orange and white panel. And heading on over to the tongue part. The tongue part is made out of nylon. And we have the Nike swoosh logo over here in orange. Yan. So, let's see the midsole. So the midsole is white with orange accent down to the outsole. And the outsole is your normal Nike Dunk High outsole or Nike Dunk. Ayan. Now heading on over to the inner part of the shoes, we have an orange sock lining or sock liner over here. Followed by an orange insole with the Nike logo in white. Wait, let me check if we can remove this. No. Hindi siya na-remove. I think nakadikit siya. So, yan. I got a size 10. And I think that's all. I'm gonna update you guys later kung ano yung itsura niya after creasing. And I'm gonna show you an on-feet preview. So here's what my outfit for today looks like. So I'm wearing a beanie from MNLA, stamp shirt from the 9s, uniform apartment, tote bag because nandito yung mga water, doggy essentials, and syempre the OFRESH, and syempre the OFRESH jersey shorts. Yan, daming S. Ayan, cute. Yan si Burrito. Excited na siya lumabas. Yan, we have the logo right here. Abangan nyo, April 2021. Follow OFRESH PH. And I'm wearing the orange blaze. Yan. Hindi ko siya ingatan today. I-crease ko talaga siya para malaman nyo kung paano siya mag-crease. Ganyan kasi, yun nga, as I've said earlier, dun sa Coast and dun sa black and white, iba yung pag-crease niya, parang buo-buo siya. And let's see on this one, meron kasing crease na, merong shoes na pag nag-crease, maganda. So, yan. We'll update you guys later. Hi guys, so we just got back from BGC and after using it for a few hours, ayan, ito na itsura niya. I mean, hindi ko siya super inalagaan. Ayan, dumi na nung sole, outsole. We have few dirt over here. And it's pretty comfortable. I mean, comfort-wise, I would rate it 8.5 out of 10 because medyo masakit siya sa may toe box. I don't know if dahil bago ba siya. Siguro masakit siya is dahil dun sa leather material niya, which is understandable naman. And ako, if papiliin ako if dunk high or dunk low, I would get the dunk high because ano ko picky ako and mas better sa akin yung may support, lalo na sa may ankle part. So overall, I would give the shoes a siguro 8.5 out of 10 na lang din. I mean, ako sobrang gusto ko yung look niya, pero comfort-wise, it's not super comfortable, but I think it's worth it for its price. Around 5,895 if I'm not mistaken, that's the SRP of this. And ayun nga, yung crease niya, ayan, as you can see, kinrease ko talaga siya. I mean, di naman sadyang crease, pero normal crease. I mean, yung crease niya, it's understandable naman. Di siya yung pangit na crease. Kasi, naging problem ko dun sa black and white and yung Coast na batch. Yung crease niya, parang buo-buo siya. Alam niyo yung parang paint na nabuo. Ganun siya. Pero for this one, I think super okay itong batch ito. Yan. And I think, gagawin ko itong beaters kasi parang ang ganda niya if naluma na. And if may available na say laces sa Nike, I would definitely get that and change the green laces to say laces. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you have any questions, suggestions, vlog recommendations, do comment on the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.